Hey everyone, and welcome. Today, we're diving into a fun and educational project building a solar-powered toy car. This is a fantastic way to learn about renewable energy and simple mechanics. First, let's gather our materials. You'll need a small solar panel, a DC motor, some wheels. You can use toy car wheels or create your own. You'll also need a chassis, which can be made from cardboard or plastic. Additionally, you'll require some wires, a glue gun or strong tape, and any tools needed for assembly, such as scissors or a hobby knife. Now, let's start with the chassis. If you're using cardboard, cut out a rectangular shape. For plastic, you can use a pre-made base or cut one to size. This will serve as the foundation of your car. Ensure it's sturdy enough to hold all the components. Next, let's attach the wheels. You can either glue them directly to the chassis or create axles using skewers or straws. Make sure the wheels spin freely. If using axles, attach them securely to the chassis. Now, for the heart of our car, the motor. Place the DC motor on the chassis and secure it using glue or tape. Make sure the motor is positioned so that the output shaft can connect to one of the wheels. Now, it's time to connect the solar panel to the motor. The solar panel generates electricity when exposed to sunlight, which then powers the motor. Connect the positive wire from the solar panel to the positive terminal of the motor and the negative wire from the solar panel to the negative terminal of the motor. You might need to strip the ends of the wires to make a good connection. You can use electrical tape to insulate the connections and prevent short circuits. Once all the connections are made and everything is secured, place the solar panel on top of the chassis. Make sure it's positioned to receive direct sunlight. You can also experiment with different angles to optimize sunlight exposure. Now, it's time to test your solar-powered toy car. Take it outside on a sunny day and place it in direct sunlight. Watch as the solar panel captures the sun's energy, powers the motor, and your car starts moving. If the car isn't moving, check all your connections to ensure they're secure and that the motor is functioning correctly. Also, make sure the solar panel is getting enough sunlight. Adjust its position if necessary. Building a solar-powered toy car is a great learning experience. It teaches us about renewable energy, simple circuits, and mechanical design. You can also customize your car with different chassis designs, wheel sizes, or even add decorations. I hope you enjoyed this project. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more fun DIY projects. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.